Do you want to know a secret? There is a powerful Google hack that can skyrocket your website traffic. It's like having a direct line to your customers' thoughts. This trick reveals exactly what they are searching for online. And the best part, it is completely free. You don't need a huge marketing budget to use it. You just need to know where to look. This isn't some complicated technical trick. It is a simple tool that Google gives you. Most businesses overlook it, but you won't. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock this hidden treasure and use it to get more visitors, more leads, and more sales. The tool is called Google Search Console. Think of it as your website's personal dashboard for Google Search. It tells you how Google sees your site. It shows you which pages are popular and what problems it might have. But its most powerful feature is the performance report. This report lists the exact search terms or queries people used on Google right before they visited your website. This is not guesswork. It is real data, straight from Google. You can see the words and phrases your potential customers are typing into the search bar. This is pure gold for any business, whether you sell cakes online or fix leaky pipes in your neighborhood. Why is this so powerful? Because it takes the guesswork out of your marketing. You no longer have to wonder what blog posts to write or what to put on your homepage. Google Search Console tells you what your audience is hungry for. It shows you the questions they need answered and the problems they need solved. By looking at these search queries, you can understand their needs on a much deeper level. You can see their pain points, their desires, and their buying signals. This information allows you to create content and offers that speak directly to them, making your marketing incredibly effective and efficient. This works for every single type of business. Are you a local plumber? You might see searches like emergency plumber near me or how to fix a running toilet. Are you a baker? You could discover people are searching for vegan birthday cake delivery or best sourdough bread recipe. The possibilities are endless. This data gives you a direct, unfiltered look into the minds of your customers. It's a competitive advantage that is just sitting there, waiting for you to use it. So, let's get you set up and show you how to start digging for this valuable information right now. First things first, you need to set up Google Search Console. Don't worry, it's easy and takes just a few minutes. Go to the Google Search Console website and sign in with your Google account. It will ask you to add your website. The easiest way is to enter your full website URL, including the HTTPS/. Google will then ask you to verify that you own the website. There are a few ways to do this, but the most common method is adding a small piece of code to your site's header or uploading a file. If you use a platform like WordPress, there are plugins that make this step super simple. Once you are verified, Google will start collecting data. It might take a day or two to see information appear. When it's ready, click on the Performance Report on the left-hand menu. This is where the magic happens. You will see a list of queries. These are the keywords people searched for. Right away, you will see what's bringing people to your site. Look through this list. Are there any surprises? Are people finding you for terms you didn't expect? This initial list is your starting point. It gives you a broad overview of your current search traffic and what your audience is interested in. Now, let's filter this data to find specific types of searches. We want to find questions and buying terms. Click on plus new at the top of the report, and then select query. Change the filter from query containing to query matching regex. To find questions, paste this code into the box. Media group, pasting regex code into query box. Close-up of regex code on screen and stock distribute equally. This will show you all the searches that start with common question words. Suddenly, you have a list of the exact questions your customers are asking Google. This is your roadmap for creating help content that builds trust and authority. Next, let's find the people who are ready to buy. We will use another regex filter. Click plus new and query again. This time, paste in this code, media group, pasting second regex code into filter box, buy, price, cost keywords highlighted on screen, stock, distribute equally. This filter will show you searches that include words indicating someone is close to making a purchase. These are your most valuable queries. These are people with a problem who are actively looking for a solution right now. Seeing these terms helps you understand what services or products are in high demand and how you can optimize your pages to capture these motivated customers. Now you have two powerful lists, one with customer questions and one with buying intent keywords. What do you do with them? Let's start with the questions. For every question you find, you should create a piece of content that answers it completely. Let's use our local bakery example. If you see the query, how to store sourdough bread, write a blog post titled, How to Keep Your Sourdough Bread Fresh for a Week. In that post, give simple, step-by-step instructions. This shows you are a helpful expert. People will trust you more, and when they are ready to buy bread, they will remember you. This strategy builds authority and trust. When you consistently answer your customers' questions, you become their go-to source for information. For a plumber, seeing why is my faucet dripping is a golden opportunity. You can create a short article or even a quick video explaining the common causes. At the end of your content, you can add a simple call to action like, if you're not comfortable fixing it yourself, our expert team is here to help. Click here to schedule a visit. You are providing value first, which makes people much more likely to choose you when they need professional help. This turns informational searches into potential leads. Now let's look at the buying intent keywords. These are your moneymakers. If a plumber sees emergency plumber quote, they need a dedicated page that targets this exact phrase. The page should have a clear headline like, get a fast, free quote for emergency plumbing. It should list your services, mention your quick response time, and have a very prominent contact form or phone number. You want to make it as easy as possible for someone in a panic to contact you. Don't make them search for your number. Put it right there, front and center, so they can solve their problem immediately. For our bakery, a search like vegan birthday cake delivery is a direct signal to create a specific product page. The page should be titled, Delicious Vegan Birthday Cakes Delivered to Your Door. Show beautiful photos of your vegan cakes. Clearly list the flavors, sizes, and prices. Include customer testimonials to build confidence. Most importantly, have a big, bright Order Now button. You are matching your website's content directly to the customer's search, which dramatically increases your chances of making a sale. You are giving them exactly what they asked for, making the decision to buy from you an easy one. This simple Google hack works for every business, no matter the size or industry. It works whether you have a physical store in a small town or an online shop that sells to the whole world. A local business can use it to find near-me searches and ensure their address and phone number are easy to find. An online business can use it to discover new product ideas or content topics that attract a global audience. The principle is the same. Listen to what your customers are asking for and then give it to them. It is the most fundamental rule of business, and Google Search Console makes it easier than ever before. The key is to create content that both informs and motivates. Your informational blog posts build trust and attract new visitors. Your commercial pages, which target buying keywords, are designed to convert those visitors into customers. A healthy website needs a good balance of both. Don't just focus on selling. You need to earn the right to sell by first being helpful and generous with your knowledge. When you provide real value, people will naturally want to do business with you. This approach creates a loyal following and a sustainable stream of traffic and leads for your business. Remember, information without action is useless. You now have the secret. You have the step-by-step instructions. You know how to find out exactly what your customers want. But none of this will help you unless you actually do it. Don't just read this and think that's a good idea. Go to Google Search Console right now. Set up your account. Start looking at your data. Find one question your customers are asking and write a blog post that answers it. Find one buying keyword and create a page that makes it easy for them to buy. The path to skyrocketing your website traffic is right in front of you. It's not about complex tricks or expensive software. It's about listening and responding. The growth you want for your business is waiting for you inside that performance report. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step today. Commit to using this strategy for the next 90 days. I promise you, if you take action and consistently create content based on what your customers are searching for, you will see real, measurable results. Your website traffic will grow, and so will your business.